live?
No, I'm recording. So what are we doing, babe?
We're buying groceries for West.
For West people. For mom. She sent us like a list of things that she wants. And we noticed that sweet potatoes is the only plural thing that she had on the list. Everything is like singular, so we're gonna prank her and what, babe?
We're gonna put one item in every bag and then drag around.
Sweet potatoes is the only plural item that she had. Everything else was singular, so like garlic, onion.
One,
It was all onion, garlic, aluminum foil.
one sheet.
One sheet. So we are at Winko.
No banana?
They're all green. They will turn red. He said they'll turn red. Apparently these are red bananas. So are we getting her fresh veggies or frozen veggies?
Yeah, let's just frozen.
Okay.
I don't know. Okay.
Frozen.
We're gonna do it.
Okay, so there was actually a few things that were plural. This is gonna be so funny.
Last thing we want to do.
We're done chopping. So the singular items turned into a lot of items.
No snack. Why is the balala in the bag?
The balala bag.
The balala.
The balala bag. We are home. We are at the parentals. We're at the parents' house. And this is basically their groceries that we're going to just take one box. Take all the fish out. And then I need to read out the list. So we got 2 sweet potatoes in because it's plural. A chicken. Maybe one fish. You put one fish. There's one fish. One pork, one beef. There's still also one onion. So this is the list. Do you get the food?
That's the last thing we want to do.
So you said, okay. So you got, read me the stuff.
It's okay.
So that's one
I need this one.
soy sauce. You said one pork, so that's one pork. Vinegar, one beef, one mayo. Bananas was plural.
Banana?
So we got more than one.
More than one?
You said aluminum. You said one Ziploc. You also said ketchup. You said ground beef. Wow. the vinegar. You said spices, so that's flour. We got you two. We got you salt without it being on the list.
Thank you.
The chicken, so this one, chicken, veggies. You said fish, it was singular, so you got one fish. And you said potatoes, so 2 potatoes. And apples, so it's 2 apples. You said onion and garlic were also singular, so you only had 1 onion and 1 garlic.
Thank you.
So that's how you feel about next time you have to be specific, okay?
Okay,
Next time I say many fish.
I like the first
So this is actually what we got for them. So we just wanted to Eleanor fish. What do you think?
Grateful.
Next time you be specific, yeah?
Yeah, I say many fish.
That's good. 2 is too many. There you have it. Thank our mama. But she was still grateful even with the singular items. Say hi to YouTube and say bye.
Okay. Hi YouTube.
Say I got fans. Okay.
Still talking cash shit. Pussy like water, I'm a mother and relaxing. I would never trip on a nigga if I had him. Bitch, that's my trash, you the maid, so you bagged him. I'm a savage, yeah. Classy, bougie, ratchet, yeah. Sassy, moody, nasty, yeah. Acting stupid, what's happening? What's happening? Bitch, I'm a savage, yeah. Classy, bougie, ratchet, yeah. Sassy, moody, I keep it not, I keep it watch, I keep it well. Ooh, let's play a game. Simon says I'm still that bitch. Ay, I'm still that bitch, yeah. I'm a savage, yeah. Classy, bougie, ratchet, yeah. Sassy, what's happening? Bitch, I'm a savage, yeah. Classy, bougie, sassy, moody, nasty, hacking, stupid, what's happening? Something was happening. I'm lit like a match, ooh. Hey, any nigga on the head is still attached, ooh. That body right, but you know this pussy bad, ooh. I drop a picture up and get you flagged, ooh. I make a call and get a pussy nigga smacked.
Are we eating later or not?
What do you mean? You can eat, but I'll drive. You can fit me along the way.
No.